Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Red Jacket Daily. It's your girl Dex and I am back with another not so makeup tutorial. If you are already a part of the Red Jacket family, thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, following me on social media. If you're not a part of the Red Jacket family, I would love to change that right now. So go ahead, hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of this video. There should be a little emblem somewhere at the bottom of this video. Without further ado, I will get straight on into this video. If you're interested, continue to watch and I hope you enjoy. Guys, I'm going to start with color correcting first. As you all know, I have the dark marks here from wearing glasses consistently and not really taking a break between my contacts and my glasses. So I'm going to start with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to use the orange color corrector. That's the one that I like to use. I haven't used the peach one yet, but I heard that you can use either or that you can mix them if that's what you would like to do. Sorry if I sound out of breath. I was trying to get all that out. So if you're wondering if I keep looking here and going back here and looking here, going back here, I have my mirror right here so that I can see what I'm doing while I'm recording. So if it doesn't look like I'm giving you guys eye contact, that's why. So I'm going to begin to just push the applicator out. Well, the the product out of the applicator. And I just kind of just put it right on my dark marks first. I kind of put it on my face a little bit. Sorry if I look shiny. I just cleansed my face before I did this tutorial so that I could have a clean canvas to kind of start with. But you just put it really where you have dark marks, you know, acne marks, any marks that you want to cover up that you don't want to be visible when you start to put on your full face. So I'm going to start with my beauty blender, which is extremely dirty right now. You really want to have a damp beauty blender so that when you are putting the product on, it will blend in. And mine just kind of damp, but like I said, it's dirty, so I need to clean it. Also make sure that all your things are clean so that all the product doesn't get taken off. Because if you notice your product is being more taken off than it is being blended into your skin, it's probably because you're using dirty makeup products. You know, so make sure your brushes and sponges stay clean at all times. I'm being a hypocrite right now because this thing is extremely filthy. So if you like the way that it looks, you can go ahead and start with your concealer in the shade that matches your skin tone. You want to go over the orange parts, the color correcting, with a concealer that matches your skin tone. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This color is Espresso. I'm going to go over the areas that I had already that I color corrected. So as you can see, any dark marks that I had are starting to fade away. That's kind of the point of color correcting, because I don't want nobody to see any of these dark marks when I apply my foundation. You know what I just realized? I did not put no primer on my face. So please forgive me. I'm trying to get better at that, putting primer on. But I'm noticing that the primer that I got might not be the right primer for my skin. It's like it makes my pores open up. And they look so huge, to the point that you can see my pores in my foundation, and I do not like that. So it makes my foundation look like cakey, especially right in this area, and it burns me up. So that's why I didn't use that primer today. I really need to invest in some poreless primer. Once I have all my concealer blended in, I'm color corrected, all my blemishes are hidden, I like the way that my concealer is looking, I'm happy, I move on to my foundation. I'm using my L'Oreal True Match True Blend in the color Cappuccino. Alright guys, sorry if I look a little different or the positioning of the video is different. I had to charge my phone, so I apologize. So like I said, I was using my I'm starting with my foundation. I've already done my color correcting. I blended it in. I'm happy with the way that it looks. The results are nice. So I'm going to start with my foundation. I'm going to use my foundation brush. I'm going to just put some on my face so that it's fully covered. I have that coverage that I'm looking for. And before I even started this video, I had spilled foundation everywhere. Good thing I only use CoverGirl, because if this was something expensive, oh my goodness, my feelings would have been hurt. For me, I prefer to use a brush. They do have foundation brushes. I don't have a foundation brush, so I have more of a powder brush. Sorry about that noise. Here's the brush. Don't judge me, guys. I just kind of circle it in like a foundation brush would do. So if this is all you have, like me, do what you can with what you got. So I'll just kind of blend it in. I put it like in a circular motion. I make sure that the bristles are open on my face. And everything is blended in all one motion. So you want to make sure that you do keep like a paper towel or a napkin around you to wipe any product off your brushes, so that if you're going to reuse that brush later on during your process, you have a clean brush. It doesn't have product residue still on the brush. So with contouring, again, you do want to have some type of concealer, some type of contouring kit, whatever you have to kind of make your look, give it that oomph. You know what I'm saying? So again, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I have a shade that is 2 times lighter than my concealer shade that I use to cover up dark marks and colors. This one is called Fawn. It's lighter than my actual skin tone. And that's what you kind of want when you're concealing. You don't want it to be the same exact color, because it won't give you that contrast that you want to see, and you're not really contouring if you have the same color. So I'm going to put it right here under my eyes. I've been practicing, guys. Like, y'all would be so proud of me. So then you want to continue to blend in the contouring that you have. Try to blend it in the best you can on each side. Okay, so once you have all the concealer blended in, you want to go ahead and set the concealer. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Powder Translucent Setting Powder. So when you open it, there is a powder brush in here. You're welcome to use it if you want. And then I'm going to put some on my forehead area, because I did set that area as well. It's a little Jesus, got caught up in my throat. I'm gonna let this bake for a little bit so that it can set the concealer. It can get in, you know, inside the foundation, and it can complete my look. So I'll be back after I'm done baking, guys. I did my eyebrows off camera. I put more concealer on my eyelids off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Let me first off start with buttoning up my robe. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyeshadow. You guys already know my fave. And I'm gonna start with my crease. Not prime, but put concealer on my eyelids is because I've noticed that with a lot of eyeshadows, especially with like drugstore brands, they don't always come up as pigmented as they look on the palette on your eyelid. So the concealer just kind of makes the color pop on camera more than it probably would if it wasn't on camera. I'm going to use the same palette, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to use the lightest color right here. I'm sorry, guys. I keep having to stop recording and continue to recording. So sorry if my positioning, like the composition from like my head to my face is like kind of off in every video, or you can see me more, the quality is different. I apologize in advance. And then next, I'm going to, still same palette, I'm going to use this lighter shadow color right here. So now that I have that, next I'm going to use a little bit of the pink in the glitter pink. If I have any excess on my face, I will brush it off. My foundation brush. I'm gonna go with a my MAC eyeshadow palette. You're probably like, girl, these are only 2 eyeshadow palettes you got. Get out of my business, okay? I'm trying to get my makeup game up, okay? You know, I ain't getting free makeup. This stuff costs. And, you know, I got bills and stuff to buy, so. But if you want to send me some free makeup palettes, you know, things you want me to try out in my videos, feel free. So now that my crease is complete now, since it is Valentine's Day, I decided to go just a little bit all out, just a tad bit all out. You know, I want to look good for my man. And if you also want to look good for your man or whoever yourself, you know, like I said, by all means, go all out as me. I did get some falsies, so I will apply falsies off camera. Once I get them on, I'm going to come back on camera and I'm going to show you the way the look came together with my falsies on. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, I went on ahead and completed my look off camera. As you can see, I put my falsies on. I put my lipstick on. Put my wig on, changed my outfit. You know, I'm not in that robe anymore. So this is the completed look that I was going for, you guys. For this look, I did want to put the falsies on. If they are kind of look like they're coming up, especially this eye. I've been filming all day, been taking pictures all day. So the time lapse between the first videos I recorded to this video, it is a lot different, and the falsies are starting to come up because I didn't have the right adhesive to put them on. I kind of used the adhesive that came with the falsies, which I noticed is a no-no. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. If you love this look, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you love this video, again, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. I will link all those social media links at the bottom in the description. Thank you, guys. I will see you in my next video.
And when I hold you close, you can feel my heart beating through my clothes.